The digital lending landscape has revolutionized how people access emergency funds, and Beem Cash Advance has emerged as a notable player in this space. As traditional banking continues to evolve, mobile-first lending solutions like Beem are becoming increasingly popular among those seeking quick financial solutions without the bureaucratic hurdles of conventional banks. With the rising demand for instant cash advances, Beem positions itself as a streamlined solution for users seeking immediate financial assistance. Unlike traditional payday loans, Beem's platform operates entirely through a mobile application, promising a paperless, hassle-free experience for borrowers who need quick access to funds. The platform's core value proposition centers around its ability to provide rapid cash advances without extensive credit checks, making it particularly attractive to individuals who might not qualify for traditional bank loans. However, it's crucial to understand both the benefits and limitations of this service before considering it as a financial solution. The application process begins with a simple download from your device's app store, followed by a straightforward registration that requires basic personal information and banking details. Beem utilizes advanced algorithms to analyze your banking history and income patterns, rather than relying solely on traditional credit scores. Once approved, users can request cash advances up to their approved limit, which typically ranges based on their income and payment history. The platform uses AI-driven technology to assess creditworthiness and determine loan amounts, often providing instant decisions without human intervention. The funds are typically deposited directly into the user's linked bank account within minutes of approval, making it one of the fastest funding options available in the digital lending space. The repayment process is equally streamlined, with automatic deductions scheduled for your next payday. The basic eligibility criteria include being 18 years or older, having a regular source of income, maintaining an active checking account, and providing valid identification. Unlike traditional lenders, Beem focuses more on your current financial behavior and income stability rather than your credit history. The application process involves submitting digital copies of your ID, recent pay stubs, and bank statements. The platform's automated verification system can typically process these documents within minutes, leading to quick approval decisions that don't keep users waiting during financial emergencies. Security measures are robust, with bank-level encryption protecting all submitted documents and personal information. The platform uses multi-factor authentication and continuous monitoring to prevent unauthorized access and protect user data. Beem's fee structure operates on a flat-rate basis, charging a set percentage of the borrowed amount rather than traditional interest rates. This transparency helps users understand exactly how much they'll need to repay without hidden charges or complicated interest calculations. The platform offers flexible loan amounts, typically ranging from $50 to $500, depending on individual eligibility and state regulations. The repayment terms are straightforward, with most loans due on the borrower's next payday, though some users may qualify for extended payment plans. It's important to note that while the fees might seem higher than traditional loans, they're often lower than overdraft fees or late payment penalties. The platform also provides clear disclosure of all charges up front, helping users make informed decisions about their borrowing. The mobile application features an intuitive design that makes navigation seamless, even for users who aren't technically savvy. The dashboard provides real-time updates on loan status, available credit, and upcoming payment dates, ensuring users always stay informed about their financial obligations. Push notifications serve as helpful reminders for upcoming payments and alert users about important account updates. The app also includes budgeting tools and financial insights that help users make better financial decisions and track their spending patterns. Customer support is available through multiple channels, including in-app chat, email, and phone support, with quick response times and knowledgeable representatives who can address concerns effectively. The primary advantage of Beem Cash Advance is its speed and convenience, with funds typically available within minutes of approval. This rapid access to cash can be crucial during emergencies when traditional lending options might take days or weeks to process. The platform's lenient credit requirements make it accessible to individuals who might not qualify for traditional loans, providing a valuable financial lifeline during unexpected expenses. The transparent fee structure helps users understand exactly what they're paying, without the confusion of variable interest rates. The automated repayment system helps users avoid late fees and maintain good standing with the platform, while the ability to build a positive payment history can lead to increased loan limits over time. The convenience of instant cash advances comes with higher fees compared to traditional personal loans or credit cards. Users should carefully consider whether the speed and convenience justify the additional cost, especially for non-emergency expenses. The short repayment terms can create additional financial strain if not properly planned for, as the full amount plus fees is typically due on the next payday. It's crucial to ensure that repayment won't compromise other essential expenses or lead to a cycle of borrowing. State regulations may limit availability and loan amounts in certain areas, and users should be aware that repeated use of cash advances can impact their overall financial health if not managed responsibly. Customer feedback consistently highlights the platform's speed and ease of use, with many users praising the quick approval process and instant fund disbursement. The transparent fee structure and clear terms receive positive mentions in numerous reviews across app stores and financial forums. Critical reviews often focus on the high fees and short repayment terms, though many acknowledge these as standard features of the cash advance industry. The responsive customer service team receives praise for addressing concerns promptly and professionally. Long-term users report building positive relationships with the platform, noting increases in their borrowing limits and appreciation for the financial management tools provided within the app. The digital lending market offers several alternatives to Beem Cash Advance, including traditional payday lenders, peer-to-peer lending platforms, and salary advance apps. Each option comes with its own set of advantages and limitations in terms of loan amounts, approval requirements, and fee structures. Credit unions and traditional banks might offer personal loans with lower interest rates, though these typically require better credit scores and longer processing times. Some employers also provide earned wage access programs that allow employees to access their earned wages before payday. Mobile banking apps and fintech platforms continue to innovate in this space, introducing features like overdraft protection and cash advance options that compete directly with dedicated lending platforms. Beem Cash Advance serves its intended purpose effectively, providing quick access to funds for users facing immediate financial needs. The platform's strengths lie in its speed, convenience, and accessibility, making it a viable option for those who need emergency funds and can manage the repayment terms responsibly. Potential users should carefully evaluate their financial situation and ability to repay before taking out a cash advance. While the service can provide valuable assistance during emergencies, it shouldn't be relied upon as a long-term financial solution or used for non-essential expenses. The platform's commitment to transparency, user-friendly interface, and robust security measures make it a credible option in the digital lending space, though users should always compare available alternatives and consider the total cost of borrowing before proceeding.